All go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. Alright guys, I've been having some technical difficulties since this morning. So I'm trying to push through, trying to give you guys some updates guys. So Mullen, so let's just jump right into the stock here. So if we take a look at Yahoo Finance, as you can see, um, yesterday we had a slight pullback on Mullen, but since this morning we are up over 1%. Hope it will stay that way, stay green for the rest of the day. But I think overall, the overall market should be good today because the CPI data that came out yesterday showed that the inflation is cooling off. So as you can see here, the TSX for this morning, it's basically flat, but at least it's looking green. S&P looking slightly green, and also the Dow. So in regards to Mullen, I spoke to you guys yesterday with regards to Motley Fool sending out a little bit of info with regards to Mullen, and it was surprisingly good information from Motley Fool because they are usually the ones not to shine a bright light, on certain stocks. But it's good that they came out and spoke about Mullen, looking positive. Also, we are, oh, look at that, we're heading up to 2% now, guys. So it looks like Mullen is kind of on a little move here. Also on Investor Place, they came out with this. Is Mullen a buy? And they're saying yes. The bull case for Mullen stock, and they're basically summarizing it here to say Mullen is making a savvy move by introducing a highly affordable electric cargo van. Furthermore, Mullen Automotive have a decent capital position and a big ticket purchase orders to fulfill. Investors should think about taking a tiny position in Mullen stock. Well, we have been in it from before, but the good thing is that at least it's now, these guys are now catching up. So let me see what else they're saying here. For investors, EV manufacturer Mullen Automotive is a love it or hate it kind of company. We all know that. Yet you can find a reasonable middle ground by taking a very small position in Mullen, and it's worth considering Mullen as an automotive. Recently issued a flurry of positive press releases. And it says further, I have to get this out of the way. The company's reverse share split is not a reason to invest in Mullen Automotive. This strategy will keep Mullen compliant with the Nasdaq minimum share price rules, at least for the time being. So yeah, that's we all know that already. So that's the reason why they did the share split. And they're speaking about the purchase order there for $680,000 awarded to EV Technologies LLC. They're speaking about Mullen Automotive has a cash runway and affordable electronic cargo vans. And this is their Randy Marion contract. So they're saying keep in mind that Mullen Automotive has $263 million worth of purchase order from Randy Marion. Initially we heard about 63 million, but it's actually 263 million. And they're saying there is a bull case for Mullen. Mullen Automotive has a better capital position than the company critics might assume. Moreover, Mullen is staying busy with purchase orders from the public and private sector. So I don't need to say anything else, guys. This is all on Investor Place. They are saying all of this. So, guys, as I said, Mullen, it's holding the level. We came down to that 138, 140, $1.40 thereabout. It seemed to be holding that level. And, as we continue to hear good things about Mullen, I am thinking that Mullen should start pushing anytime soon. So, that's just a quick update. Sorry about, the late video. Usually I do these videos before, by 8 in the morning, but seems like technical issues wasn't allowing me to do these videos earlier. Alright guys, so as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Take care guys.